My name is Kimberly Beadle. I'm the director of Polished Business, and I founded this company in 2014. I have had such a wonderful ride since then with so many different industries and so many different people that we've been able to help. It's really helped us grow as our own business because we've realized there's more need of the business advisory side and helping business owners and admin professionals reduce their stress, feel less isolated, but also just feel like they're not alone.
For new businesses and reviewing your current business, if you have a current business and you just want to make sure certain things are up to date, I've got a bit of a list of things to check out. A good one is your tax invoices. Make sure they're up to par.
But I also just wanted to say a big congrats to everyone that's here tonight, because we are the business that gets what all of you go through every day. And we love what you do, and I love that we can support you.
They knew that I had said something about if they ever saw interest or a penalty applied to their boss to reach out to me just to check what was going on. Good job. That's exactly what you're supposed to do.
We are very personal, positive, and patient because I'm talking to a room of business owners. And we know what it's like to look at your books and to do them. And we love it. We are an industry.